Howdy folks, The Collector 6819 coming back at you with another break of a blaster box of Press Pass Ignite 2013 racing, of course. So we'll get this open here. You're guaranteed one memorabilia or autograph in here, so we'll see what we get. Hopefully something decent. So, we've got Jeff Burton top speed, a David Schramm stream, an Austin Dillon blue, a filler, Danica Patrick, and a Jeff Gordon. So whatever we're getting is in here. I'm hoping for an autograph. Okay, we've got a Trevor Bayne top speed, a Bobby Labonte will come from the back, Matt Kenseth, Ty Dillon, there's that Bobby Labonte again, a Tony Stewart Turning Point, and a Elliott Sadler Fire Suit. So there you have it, folks. Our big shot was the Elliott Sadler. So, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.